Thank you for watching another episode of Sloan's Reviews. Our mission is to help you decide what to love making next. Today I'm doing a quick unboxing of the ROKR Marble Run The Future City. This is a marble run I supported on Kickstarter, and I was able to get, there's actually two of these, the Last City and the Future City. And I was very excited to build them both. I got them pretty late, I feel like, in the process, though. Other people received them and were already reviewing them before I even got mine all together. So I was a little grumpy about that, but I got it now, so it's time to build. You might notice that this one got a little roughed up in shipping. Still pretty hopeful that it came through okay. We'll see. Here's the front. Tops and bottoms aren't that exciting. Sides give you a look of the marble runs together. Now it looks like maybe you can put all four together that way? I don't know. They're pretty small, so they wouldn't take up that much space. It makes sense that you probably could certainly do a four place build there. We'll think about that. We'll just see how it works from the first one or two here. Here's the back side. Yeah, let's go ahead and get opened up. It comes in a box style, which is nice. You just lift the top of it off here after I get her cut open. There we go. Alright, and books on top, very nice. And it is a booklet style format, which I prefer over the poster style. Let's see here. It's made to look like a computer case with a marble run inside of it, essentially. So it's just showing you how to get the case set up for assembly. Let's see here. I want to see they had you test out electronics beforehand, but it doesn't look like it just yet. Let's keep flipping. I think some of the smart marble runs that have electronic stuff in them have you go ahead and test electronics before you start assembly to make sure that everything is working ahead of insertion. But I don't know that they do that here. Yeah, let's just keep flipping here. It looks like they're mostly black and white with some coloration of certain things. So maybe just try to make them a little bit more explicit. They kind of change colors on it. I've seen yellow, I've seen kind of pinkish purple. Yeah. There are, oh, there's a nice color picture. Oh, advanced play, module extension. So if you want to put them all together into a 4-unit assembly there. Beat A to C. Yeah, so really the last, boy, it looks like about 10 pages is just how to assemble into a larger marble run scenario. Okay, total pages 49, and again there is the entire thing if you decide to buy a double set of kits to build the 4-module marble run. Okay, let's take a look at the internals here. Here are the colorful backdrop pieces. Very nice. I'm going to start cutting things open. I'll do that on camera, but I'll speed it up so you don't have to waste your life watching me cut open bags. Parts list. Very nice. Let's see here. This is going to be the window for the front panel. And this is... Alright. Yes, it's got a nice... Just like building like a plastic model or like mobile suit or a Gunpla. They've got the labeling right there. So this is H, if you can see it on the camera. And see this one. I'm going to go ahead and open it. I'm not sure the piece is labeled, but if I can't recognize a giant black flat piece, maybe I need help anyway. Here's another very pretty scene piece. I don't know if it comes across on camera very well. Maybe if I opened it up it would. Yeah. Try to get out the glare for you. It's very pretty. Okay. And this is just another little plastic piece. Put that back in the bag just so I don't get too fingerprinty. Okay. Everything's plastic in these kits. Reading some of the reviews, some people aren't that excited about a plastic kit. I would say I'm probably of no particular concern one way or the other, plastic versus wood. I might build lots of plastic Gunpla kits and plastic model kits, so I'm used to it, so it's definitely not an area that's uncomfortable to me. But some people certainly don't have that experience, and so they might be a little wary. There we go. Pretty purple. Okay, here's the computer case. Very computer casey. Now we got some of these other parts bags. I'm going to leave them intact, so maybe helps organize them. Now, let's see what else we got here. We got this little white box, which has some electronics in it. Yep. Very cool. And we've got some pins or axles. Not sure what all that is. We got the marbles. There we go. It says 15 pieces, 8mm marbles. That's good to know. Alright. It came with some funky toenail cutters for cutting out the pieces. It's kind of fun. It came with those to help you get the pieces loose. I have some nice side cutters that I use, but it's pretty cool. It's got a C-to-C cord for powering. It should be a powered unit. It's got a little screwdriver, Phillips screwdriver, cross-headed. Let's see, here we go. Very small screws in there. And then I think this is the marble lift here. Yep. So we got various, looks like poster style formats, which aren't my favorite, but that should just be a small part of the build here. Let's see here. Here's like things probably to slide back and forth to help elevate the marbles. And these look like just side, yeah, it looks like a clear faceplate there and an included one for the front and back of the panels, and it looks like maybe the tops. And then inside here, some more plastic pieces. Okay, yeah, so anyway, got those plastic pieces in the gears. And we've got another plastic piece there. Probably just more routing for the marble itself, maybe. And there we go. So, we'll get this built here real soon on camera and give it a full review, of course. And made it together with its companion, and so we'll have two marble runs anyway to join together and see how they operate. And I'm very excited about doing all of that. It's really going to be kind of a priority here to get these done as soon as I can, but right now it is October, and we're actually doing a Temu Halloween Lego extravaganza unboxing and building and reviewing. So you guys can hopefully have a little bit of lowdown on what Temu merchandise stuff to buy for yourself here heading into Halloween there. Okay. Well, thank you so much for watching Slow's Reviews. Please like and subscribe. Please consider supporting us on Patreon. We have a camera that needs some help, and we could use any support we can get. It's not something for nothing. For $3 a month, you get access to our videos ad-free. Hopefully that $3 can help you decide what to love making next. Alright, thanks again for watching. I finally got around to writing an outro to give you plenty of time to hit those like and subscribe buttons. Thanks again to those of you who have already subscribed, and one of you will have the good luck to be my first paid tier patron on Patreon if you subscribe today. For $3 a month, you get access to my videos without having to watch ads. Thank you in advance.